This is an 8,000 BTU LG window air conditioner. This one has the Wi-Fi controller on it, which is nice. So I'm going to take this out of its box real quick, and we'll take a look at it and start it up. And here it is. I'll show you the back of it first. And then we'll go ahead and turn it on in just a second here. Have it plugged in already. Came with a remote, which is nice. And yes, it is sagging on that side because the compressor's on that side and it's on a bed right now. This is the best place I have to film at the moment. So here's the control panel. Alright, I'm going to turn it on, turn it to cool, and temp down to 60. I'm sure there's a compressor delay after you plug it in. It's moving quite a bit of air. Here's the compressor. Stay on this side until the compressor starts. Seems like it's going to be a pretty quiet unit. I'm going to let it run for a little while longer. It's taken a while for it to get cold. I don't know if it's just because it's the first startup. I hope it's not low on refrigerant. I wouldn't expect it to be, but you never know. Here are the specifications. 8,000 BTU. 6.2 amps. Not bad. It's starting to get cool now, so I don't think there's anything to worry about.